Hi, I'm John from Chilliwack, BC. Welcome back to my garage. The Canadian Tire Tester for Lead program sent me the Mastercraft Wood Lathe Set. I put the Mastercraft Wood Lathe Set to test by using it with my Mastercraft Wood Lathe. I would recommend the Mastercraft Wood Lathe Set to family and friends because it comes in this nice wood carry case, which keeps them organized and also safe for my other tools when I have them put away. They're made of a high-speed steel and they come sharp, ready to use right out of the box. And lastly, in comparison to a standard wood lathe, such as this one, which I got with my Mastercraft wood lathe, much bigger. Two-handed handle offers you greater accuracy, greater control every time when you're doing your project.